Hello everyone, myself Mohammed Khair, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from COCA department. So today I'm going to explain about the topic Introduction to Pumping Lemma. The pumping lemma is a fundamental concept in a formal language theory. It is used to analyze the properties of regular languages. It provides insight into the structures of these languages and it is an important tool in the formal language theory. So next is the proof of pumping lemma. So basically the definition of the pumping lemma states that any sufficiently long string belonging to a regular language can be split into the three parts, and these parts can be repeated to generate new strings within the languages. And the next one is the proof process. The proof involves assuming a minimum length of strings in a regular language and showing that the longer string can be divided and repeated as was specified by the lemma. Third one is the validity, the process and the proof of essential understanding the conditions under which the string is a regular language can be dissected and replicated to form new valid string. So these are the proof for pumping lemma definition to proof process and the validity. So next we are going to see about the using the pumping lemma to provide proof language is not regular. So choosing the language, select the language to be tested for the regularity using the pumping lemma. Identify irregularities, find the pattern within the language that cannot be replicated by the condition established in the pumping lemma. And the third one is the provide a formal proof that can be demonstrate the limitations of the language using the rules set forth by the fourth of the pumping lemma. So using the pumping lemma to prove language is a regular, we can use established parameter, demonstrate perplexity, and the extensible versatility. So define the individual tasks that can make up the string and specify the conditions under which they can be combined. So establishing in the parameters, defining the individual part that make up the string and specify straight electricity show that any sufficient long string if go to the application. So providing language is not a constant context sensitivity. The first one is the scope, the crucial expansion of the lemma's capabilities to context sensitivity languages and have opened up a new realms of analysis and validation. Complexity of the examination. The increased complexity of the 20th century languages highlights the high-level analytics progress of the lemma and empowers the advancement of language securities. So the one is the refining on the procedure for the context sensitivity languages on side of the multiple and the detailed nature of the pumping and mass application within this domain. So next one we are going to see the limitation and criticism of the pumping lemma. The complexity, it may be challenging to apply the conditions specified in the lemma to the real world languages that languages that exhibits the complex structures and irregular patterns. So the end of the scope, we are gonna see the pumping lemmas function are limited to the regular languages and may not be directly applicable to the languages with the more intricate structures such as the contextual languages. So next are the examples of applying the pumping lemma to the lemma to specific languages. So then the language one exploring how the condition of the pumping lemma apply to the structures of language one and what are the insights can be gained from the analysis. So, another language for illustrating how the pumping lemma's tool can be help in understanding the pattern and behaviors as exhibited by the language tool. In another language, we examine the application of the pumping lemma in the context language to in order to impact of the language theory. So the conclusion and the key takeaways are the insightful tools, theory validation, and continuous advancement. The pumping lemma remains an insightful tool for the examining the composition and behaviors of regular languages, and the theory validation in its application have validated foundational theory in the formal language theory and automata. Currently, the continuous advancement research and the cross-disciplinary and applications ensure the ongoing relevance and the refinement of the pumping and immerse principles. So these are the three conclusion and three key takeaways: insightful the tool and the theory validation and the continuous advancement. So thank you for watching my video. Please share, like, share, and subscribe.